Hello and welcome back. Today we have a very important event that will be the focus of today's video. The ISM Manufacturing PMI for the month of September is about to be released. We have a strong USD JPY bullish trend right now, and the question is, can the ISM beat the previous value of 59.9 and drive USD JPY to break above the 150 level? Let's analyze the chart and the fundamental factors to see if this is a realistic scenario. As you can see, we have an almost vertical USD JPY chart since the beginning of this month. The price went from 140 all the way up to 148 in less than 2 weeks. Now, if you look at the RSI, you can see that we are close to the overbought zone. So technically, we could see some profit taking in order to avoid a potential RSI overbought situation. However, if the ISM beats the previous value of 59.9, then the USD will get stronger and the price might go even higher. In order for USD JPY to break the 150 level, we need two things. Number one, the ISM must beat the previous value of 59.9. And number two, we need to see enough momentum to carry the price above the 150 level. Looking at the momentum, we can see that the momentum is actually quite high. If the ISM beats the previous value, then this momentum could push the price above 150. The ISM is a leading indicator, and it shows the health of the US economy. If the ISM shows that the US economy is getting stronger, then the Fed will be more likely to keep interest rates higher for longer, which would make the dollar stronger. The market is currently pricing in a 76% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike in November and a 24% chance of no rate hike at all. A strong ISM report would support the case for a higher, for longer policy from the Fed and could lead to a further increase in the dollar's value. A strong ISM report would also reinforce the idea that the US economy is resilient and can withstand higher interest rates. This could lead to a further increase in the dollar's value, as investors would need to hold more dollars in order to invest in the US economy. If the ISM report is weaker than expected, it could cause some profit taking in the dollar, as investors may start to believe that the Fed will have to cut interest rates sooner than expected. Now let's look at the technical picture. The dollar index is currently trading near its highest level in over 2 weeks. A strong ISM report would likely cause the index to break out of its recent range and head towards the 150 level. The next resistance level is at 150.233, which is the high of the previous bull trend. Breaking above this level would likely cause the index to head towards the 152 level. In terms of momentum, the dollar index is looking very strong. The MACD histogram is at its highest level in over 2 weeks, and the RSI is in the overbought territory. A strong ISM report would likely cause the index to continue its upward momentum. To conclude, the USD JPY pair is in a strong uptrend, and the ISM report is likely to be the next catalyst for the pair. If the ISM beats the previous value of 59.9, then the USD JPY pair could break above the 150 level. However, if the ISM is weaker than expected, then we could see some profit taking in the pair. The technical indicators are looking positive for the USD JPY pair, and the pair is likely to continue its upward momentum if the ISM beats the previous value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.